BLAUPUNKT SF and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to the battery, so let me find it. Here it is. And now you can simply activate power saving mode by tapping on power saver. And now you can switch it on by tapping on this switcher. So from now on, it's on. Then if you would like to switch it off, click on the same icon one more time, and from now on, low power solution is off. You can also pick the automatic rule, so simply click on turn on automatically, and you can select either 5 or 15% of your battery, so let me pick 15%, and every time your battery is lower than 15%, then power saving mode will be automatically activated. It's truly useful mode, so you can use it. You can also have a quick access to power saving mode through the upper bar, so swipe twice to open it. And now click on the battery icon. And here you can switch on and off power saving mode. So that's it. This is how you can save power in your device. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.